next on Dynamic Living.
May pagbabago ba in terms of incidence or prevalence pagdating sa mga problema ng mga kababaihan?
The number one cause of maternal mortality and morbidity is hemorrhage, followed by hypertension.
Probably because most of the time, no, yung mga postpartum hemorrhage is hindi na sila umaabot sa atin.
Pag pregnant, dapat nang mag-avoid ng mga ganong food. Even for women who are planning to get pregnant, they need to modify their diet. So, pwede siguro po konti-konti. Pero, yung usual na they've been used to eating that, so, siguro, in small amounts na lang. Siguro, if they feel the need to taste something salty, they can, but not in big amounts.
Now, you know, the problem with hypertension, especially when it's uncontrolled, the complications that may arise.
This Thursday, 6 p.m. only here on the Hope Channel.